Here's a tip for assembling your citrus slice coaster. After you turn the main coaster piece right side out, you have a circle shape, and depending on how well you sewed your line, your circle may not be exactly perfect. And same with the white that we're putting on top, this white circle, you may not have cut it exactly perfectly. So what you can do is audition it and take a look and see. And if you've got a spot, like over here, mine is a little bit closer to the edge of the rind than I'd like it. So I'm just going to take my scissors and just trim a little bit off. And that just centers my white circle on the green background a little bit more. I'm going to put that down and fuse it in place. Just going to do it a little bit to hold it for now. And now I'm going to start laying out all of my little wedges. So what I'm doing for a placeholder, you can see I've got the circle in the middle. So what I'm going to do is take one of these flower head pins and position it so that that circle is as much in the middle as I can get it. And then I'm going to start laying out my citrus wedges around it. I don't keep it in the whole time. It's not a perfect solution, but it helps to make sure that things are going in a center, around the center, like spokes. And if you look at my template, you can see I've got 12 wedges on there. And when I went to start cutting the wedges out and placing them, when I made the yellow one, I could only get 10 to fit. And so that's what I'm doing for the lime one as well. But I've left all 12 wedges in the template in case your fingers are more nimble than mine and you can get more than 10 in. But I think maybe I didn't cut out exactly on the lines, or I don't know. I just can't get the pieces quite as close as they are in the digital rendering. And there we go. Now I'll hold the iron on it a little bit longer, and that will finish the fusing of my white part as well as all of those little wedge segments in the center. And the last step, second last step, is I stitched around the outside of the lime part, and then I will stitch around the white as well before covering it in the liquid vinyl to make it water resistant.